John Dave!
Uy, thank you.
Elizabeth.
Iniyak ako. Mama. Kaya hayaan mo ibigay ko din ang dalawang tao na importante sa'yo. Si mama at si tatay. Di man natin sila kasama, physical, pero alam ko na masaya sila para sa atin. I love you, Mr. Maraming salamat sa gift. Napakagandang regalo sa akin. Maraming salamat. Mahal na mahal kita. Love you.
And I'm wondering what you're dreaming, wondering if it's me you see. And I kiss your eyes,
Ay, English. Ako Tagalog. English ako.
I just wanna stay with you in this moment forever, forever.
Just like this bag will carry you everyday essentials. I promise to carry your heart with love, respect, and care every day of our life. Wherever life takes us, I'll always be by your side. I love you. Your husband. Thank you so much, mahal. I love you.
I don't wanna miss one smile, I don't wanna miss one kiss. Well, I just wanna be with you, right here with you, just like this. I just wanna hold you close, I feel your heart so close to mine, and just stay here in this moment for all the rest of time. I don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing, 'cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest dream would never do. I'd still miss you, babe, and I don't wanna miss a thing.
Today is the one happiest and the most meaningful day of my life. I thank God for blessing me with my best friend, partner, and now my wife. Through the years, our friendship grew into love has last 11 wonderful years. Through every season of our lives, you have been my companion, best friend, and the person I can always count on.
Hindi ko akalain na aabot tayo sa ganitong yugto ng ating buhay. Na magpapalitan tayo ng pangako sa isa't isa sa harap ng ating mga mahal sa buhay. Mahal, maraming salamat sa pagstay sa akin.
I promise that together we will continue to put God the center of marriage. Today, I choose you, and I choose you, and I choose you again for the rest of our life. I love you very much, mahal.
Noong mga panahon, hindi ko alam kung anong bukas ang naghihintay sa akin. Saksi ang mga mahal ko sa buhay, kung paano mo ako alagaan at mahalin sa araw-araw. Mahal, nangangako ako na mamahalin kita, hindi lamang sa mga araw na masaya at magaan, kundi lalo na sa mga panahong mahirap at puno ng hamon. Ako ang magiging katuwang mo sa bawat pangarap, sandigan mo sa bawat pagsubok, at tahanan mo sa bawat lungkot at pagod. Mahal na mahal kita.